scurvy they're needed.
If you see that opening just there, you have a fast light. Go back a bit, or go up here, yeah. Just stay down.
Friendly to your left. Friendly down here.
Yeah, okay.
Driver secure! Driver secure! Bring into the trenches. Driver secure!
That's it, go that way.
Let's go this way, this way, this way. Can I get a guy with me? Can we give you a... Okay, do you want to cross here? Okay, we get into the truck.
So the truck, go this way.
Let's go this way.
Hey!
Oh, shots!